때는 2018년의 미국 남동부. 따사로운 햇살이 쏟아지는 그 어딘가.
Hi, you Walter?
Yeah, hi. Heidi?
Yes.
That's nice.
That.
You like fish?
Not especially. It was here when I got here. Have a seat, please. Record just for my reference.
Oh, no, it's fine.
It's April 10th, 2018. Homecoming client Walter Cruz, week 1, session 1.
Hello. Yeah, drink some coffee.
Do you know what you'd like?
No, I'm sorry. I'm not here to eat. Heidi, is that your name?
Yeah, do I know you?
I'm Thomas Carrasco with the DODIG, the Department of Defense, Office of the Inspector General. You were employed at the Homecoming Transitional Support Center?
Yes, I mean, years ago. I don't know, maybe 4? What is this about?
그녀가 상담사로 몸담고 있었던 홈커밍이란 시설에 대해 항의가 접수되었다는 소식이었고.
I'll just meet you out there.
Right outside.
I'll meet you out there right outside.
Yes. Okay, Walter Cruz, you got here when? Friday?
Yeah, Friday.
The only mandatory elements, group meals in the cafeteria, the workshop, these meetings with me, which hopefully won't be too painful.
I want to be in compliance with all this. I want to put it all behind me.
전 세계로 파병되는 참전 용사들을 위한 재적응 지원 센터였던 것, 근무 환경과 복지 그리고 누군가를 도울 수 있는 성취감까지 모든 것들이 만족스러웠지만.
Hi, Colin.
Heidi?
Can I help you with something?
Did we run the background check on the busboys? Whoever we've got working in the cafeteria.
I didn't realize that was.
We need to be extremely thorough with the food service. So I need you to get into that tonight.
Okay, I'm on it right away.
Okay, good. Gotta go.
퇴근이 임박할 때면 유선상으로 업무 지시를 내리는 게 습관이 되어버린 콜린이라는 상사가 있었는데요.
Let's see here. Okay, how about Rainy? All right, you're week 4, is that right?
Yeah.
All right, so let's start. This is my shoe store. I own it. Could I take a look at your resume? Thanks. Okay, I see here that you served in the military. That you could apply to your work here at the shoe store.
Lazy and stubborn, you're the full package.
각자가 전쟁의 트라우마를 안고 있는 만큼 바람잘 날이 없었죠.
How do you feel about that?
About what?
About what just happened?
I guess embarrassed. Well, because I lost control.
But he hit you.
No, he didn't.
No, he did. Cruz confronted Rainey, who struck Cruz.
Yeah, I know, but it just doesn't feel like me to react like that.
What about sleeping? Are you having any trouble with that?
Yeah, a little. Nightmares, things like that.
That's very normal. We're here to help you make this transition. Whatever supports that, that's what we're gonna do. So,
And I'm currently following up on certain allegations.
about me?
No.
Okay, so then
And why did you leave that job?
I quit. My mother got hurt and I had to come home and take care of her.
And is your current employer, are they aware?
What does that have to do with it?
You didn't want to talk inside.
Well, yes.
You okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Really?
What were your duties there?
Counselor, I told you. Honestly, I don't remember much about it. Okay? It wasn't a good fit for me. Are we done?
Can you tell me if your clients were there on a voluntary basis or?
I don't know. Do you have a badge? Do you have some kind of identification?
As I explained, we received a complaint from one of the soldiers. He wants to leave, he wants to go home, but they won't let him. What about the name Walter Cruz? Do you remember him?
No.
홈커밍에서의 좋지 못한 기억이 있는 걸까? 아니면 월터와의 개인적인 트러블이 있었던 걸까? 하이디는 그 무엇 하나 제대로 기억하지 못했죠.
It is April 17th, 2018 to session 2.
I finished that worksheet.
Oh.
Yeah, I wasn't sure how to answer some of the questions, so I just...
It's okay. It's just to give me an idea of some of your experiences. What is Titanic Rising?
About this guy who used to mess with Benji. He was this little guy, he was obsessed with... You know the movie Titanic?
Titanic? Yeah.
That was Benji's #1 favorite movie. One day, this guy, Lesky, asked him what he thought of Titanic Rising. And Benji was like, what? Well, the sequel to Titanic, Titanic Rising.
하루에도 수십 번씩 생사를 넘나들고 외부와의 연락도 극도로 제한되어 있는 폐쇄된 환경. 잊지도 않은 영화로 동료를 골려먹는 게 유일한 재미이자 위안이었고.
Did Benji figure it out?
Yeah, Benji, eventually.
Did Lesky tell him?
No, Lesky died.
I'm so sorry.
The vehicle he was in rolled over an IED.
Must have been hard. What happened to Lesky?
Well, yeah,
You want to talk about it?
maybe. Maybe later.
Okay.
You're week 2?
Yeah, week 2.
Have a good night, you guys.
You too. Have a good rest.
Have a good rest?
What? I was being polite. Wow. It's impressive.
You just took them? You even know what they are?
Yeah, he is good. What?
But that's where we are. Florida?
Yeah?
How do you know that?
Because that's where the plane landed.
Right, and what airport in Florida did you land at?
I went in the airport, it was a base.
Right, me too.
Okay.
Sign that said, welcome to Florida, something like that?
Yeah. Yeah, I think so.
See, I don't. No, I don't. I don't remember seeing anything like that.
It's palm trees in Florida.
Palm trees in California and Cuba and
What are you trying to say, man?
nothing. I'm just, the only reason we think we're in Florida is because that's what they told us, right?
우리가 사회에 재적응하게 돕는다는 게 겉으로 보여지는 명분일 뿐 다른 꿍꿍이가 있다는 의미였던 것. 슈라이어는 안정제는 물론이고 급식까지 거부하고 있었는데요.
Mrs. Trotter, Trotter, honey, it's time to go.
What that guy want?
Oh, nothing. He thought I was somebody else.
문제는 이러한 하이디의 태도가 오히려 홈커밍에 대한 의구심을 더더욱 키워버렸다는 점.
Hello.
Hi, can I speak to Walter Cruz, please?
He left the military years ago.
Yes, I'm aware. I'm currently following up on a complaint that the...
There's nothing to follow up on.
나 혼자만의 판단과 결정으로 처리할 수 있는 사안이 아니라는 결론에 다다르게 되죠.
The anonymous complaint from April 2018? Well, this Miss Bergman says she doesn't remember Walter Cruz. There's nothing to follow up on. There's a reluctance. In most cases...
We close it or we elevate.
결국 토머스는 판도라의 상자를 여는 선택을 하게 되고 한편 구내식당에서의 난동으로 독방 신세를 지게 된 친구가 안쓰러웠을까.
Just gonna go get a beer.
Sure, yeah.
Come on, man.
슈라이어를 위해 전우애를 발휘하게 되는데요.
Can I help you?
Maybe, yeah. Actually, I was thinking maybe run into town, grab a beer. Is there a bus or something we could
I
take?
think there's a form that you need to.
A form?
Yeah.
그런데 우리가 체류하는 곳이 플로리다가 아니고 재적응을 돕기 위한 시설도 아니라는 자신의 촉을 증명하고 싶었던 걸까. 차량을 무단으로 탈취하는 선택을 하게 되고 이내 곧 인적이라고는 좀처럼 찾아볼 수 없는 마치 세트장 같은 곳에 닿을 수 있었는데요.
Weapon.
Sorry, it's just funny now. It's a retirement community. Everyone was asleep.
I don't think you're grasping the seriousness of this.
No, I didn't want you to have to come in on your day off. And Schreier apologized. We picked up the old guy, and look, it was stupid. I know. We're in Florida. We're getting help.
I'm glad to hear that.
Schreier's a good guy. Well, I mean, if there's going to be any disciplinary action, you'll tell them, right?
Do you feel like you have to take care of Schreier?
Take care, no.
But you two are close.
I mean, well, yeah. We spend a lot of time together. You ever spent way too much time with someone?
How do you mean?
Well, are you married?
No.
But you have a boyfriend.
Where are you going with all this?
Okay. Let's say we're taking a road trip somewhere.
Okay. Where are we going?
How about Yosemite? Stop at weird local diners, talk to old cowboys.
Oh, are you asking me?
Yeah.
Oh,
정식 과정이 아닌 월터의 돌발 행동으로 인한 임시 상담. 어느덧 대화의 주제는 개인적인 취향과 서로에 대한 것들로 채워지고 있었고.
You haven't, have you?
haven't what?
Taken a road trip with a boyfriend?
I've had boyfriends.
Yeah, but that's not what I asked. Windows down, radio's on, flying through the pines.
Colin, hi.
He's staring at you.
Certainly. No, I haven't. Happy.
어느새 월터를 떠올리면 자연스레 미소가 지어지는 존재가 되어가고 있었죠. 월터라는 존재를 모른다고 부정하던 상담가 하이디 버그먼, 그가 퇴원 조치를 당한 날에 병가를 이유로 홈커밍에서 해고되었다는 사실을 발견할 수 있었죠.
Walter, hi.
Look, I need to talk to you about something.
What do you need?
I explained to you what happened with Schreier was mostly my fault. I took the van, I drove us out there.
I believe that you care about your friend, and I understand that.
So where is he? Where did they take him?
Nobody took him anywhere. He's back with his
You
family.
don't have to do that.
And he's with his family. They'll decide. What did he think was going on?
If I tell you, you're gonna have me moved and throw out all my stuff too?
Of course not.
I just saw them. They're throwing out all of it.
국가를 위해 봉사한 군인들을 짐작 취급하는 홈커밍의 행태. 마치 나의 미래를 보는 것 같아 흥분을 주체할 수 없었고.
You sit down, please. You said that Lesky died when his vehicle went over an IED.
That's right, yeah.
You were with him.
That day, no.
Why?
Because I put him there. Benji was pestering Lesky, asking him a million questions.
About what?
And I didn't want to deal with it. I told Lesky to go to another vehicle.
And then?
We drove out, and their vehicle was ahead of ours. I just saw their vehicle jump up and come back down. Went to go check on Lesky, and he was dead. What a shame. And so I sent Lesky to another vehicle, and he died.
한편 보통의 일상을 살아가는 가운데 난데없이 나타난 국방부 소속의 감찰 직원은 하이디의 일상을 뒤흔들기 시작.
So what?
Why didn't you tell me I was in the hospital?
Tell you? You were there.
Why didn't we ever talk about it?
Now you want to talk about it? So you needed a break.
누가 보더라도 홈커밍의 직원이었다는 사실을 입증하는 물건들로 가득 차 있었고.
Hi, I'm Thomas Carrasco with the Department of Defense. I'm trying to speak with someone about homecoming.
All right. Let me send up a couple flares. We'll see what comes back. Hi. Colin, there's a gentleman here from the DoD.
홈커밍을 직접 운영한 가이스트라는 곳이라면 진실에 한 발짝 다가설 수 있지 않을까라는 기대가 무색해지는 홈커밍이라는 곳에는 발도 붙여보지 않았다며 모르쇠로 일관.
No, but... Well,
Yeah, I gotta get back to the desk.
there's no documentation.
Yeah, no. Kind of a dead end. I'm sorry.
Oh, no, that's okay. I guess I'll just have to speak to the contemporaries directly.
Temporaries?
From the homecoming facility?
Oh, you have?
Yeah.
이대로 가만히 있다가는 엄청난 후폭풍을 피할 수 없을 거라는 확신. 월터는 긴급 출장길에 오를 수밖에 없었는데요.
Sit anywhere. Hi. Thanks for your patience. A little nuts in here. Do you know what you'd like?
나와 함께한 시간들이 죽을 만큼 힘들었던 걸까? 하이디는 나를 전혀 알아보지 못했죠.
How was everything?
Good, yeah. Great, thanks.
1850.
Yeah, of course.
Put your business card in the jar. Maybe your luck will change.
It's with the Inspector General at DOD. Should get me anything you can on this guy.
Okay, you got it.
Listen, I'm gonna spend a couple more days down here.
You mean in Milwaukee?
Please continue to hold, and we will return.
Hi, Miss Morriso. Thank you for holding.
I haven't heard from my son in 2 weeks. Trying to reach him, but there's no listed...
Yes, so ma'am, not a VA program. It's administered by a private contractor, Geist.
Geist?
Yeah. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No.
Chloe? You ready?
Geist. So what about them? But they make household products like shampoo, laundry detergent. So? Walter, the place that they sent him to. Why would a company that makes shampoo... Where are you going? Tampa. I'm his mother. I don't need to announce.
국가시설인 줄 알았지만 알고 보니 민간 기업이 운영하는 곳이었고 마치 감옥처럼 연락조차 자유롭지 못한 곳이었던 것. 믿음이 사라진 만큼 당장 아들을 데려와야겠다는 의지였고.
Can I ask you a question?
Okay. I'll be right there.
Says you need to fill out a form.
Seems to me like you don't have any idea.
This is Walter's mom.
Wow, yes, hi. I'm Heidi Bergman.
You're in charge? You work for guys.
Is everything all right? If there's been some kind of emergency.
He's my son. I want to see him.
And he's been doing great. It's just that visitors, especially family, can be... Should I call security? No, let's, well, she's here now, and she's not going anywhere. Mrs. Morriso, why don't you come with me, please?
이대로 그냥 물러서지는 않을 것만 같은 느낌. 결국 자신의 권한으로 두 사람의 만남을 허락할 수밖에 없었는데요.
Mom? Mom, what is Heidi, I'm sorry. I haven't seen my mom in a while, so do you mind giving us a second?
Heidi Bergman. What does she want? Where did she go to school?
What does that have to do with anything?
You just believe. But this government doesn't give away nothing for free. They want you to think that there's something wrong.
No one's making me do anything.
You don't know that, Walter.
슈라이어가 그랬던 것처럼 이 모든 과정에 숨겨진 의도가 있을 거라는 엄마와 절대 그럴 리 없다는 월터의 갑론을박도 잠시.
I just want you to come home.
결국 월터는 어머니의 뜻을 따르는 선택을 하게 되죠.
He's packing.
Craig, just go back to your desk.
We should call security.
No, it's not necessary.
He's at a week 4 dosage, Heidi. If he quits his meds at this point, he's going to go into withdrawal.
I know.
Okay, I need to inform Colin.
No.
I'm sorry. Have you lost your grip on what it is?
Craig, I haven't lost a thing. Turn around and go back to your toys.
Hey,
Walter, what's going on?
I gotta go back with her. She's having a tough time. I'm sorry I have to leave in the middle of all this.
Of course, I understand. It just, is it what you really want?
She's my mom. She's upset.
Okay. Can you answer my question, though?
What do I want?
Yes. You talk about what you owe the people in your life. What do you want?
I don't think that's a good way of deciding.
Why?
Because if I stayed, it might be so I can focus on getting better. But it might be so I can be with you. You ever think about that?
I just think for you to leave treatment at this time could be dangerous.
Dangerous?
Not dangerous, just a little risky too.
To what?
I just don't think you should leave if you're not sure you're ready.
Can you answer my question?
I do.
What?
Think about that.
Please leave a message for
Colin Belfast.
Just wanted to let you know we had an unexpected visit. Managed the situation and everything is fine.
나 역시 월터와 같은 마음이라며 계속해서 치료를 이어갈 수 있다는 사실에 안도할 수 있었지만
You've reached the Department of Defense complaint hotline.
I do have a complaint.
참전 용사를 감금하고 집으로 보내주지 않는다는 익명의 제보. 다름 아닌 월터의 어머니 신고였던 거죠.
Walter Cruz, week 5. Where should we start today?
We could talk about the other day in my room.
Let's just stay focused on your treatment for now.
Okay.
We've been talking about your friend Lesky, how he died. How are you feeling about that today?
I'm less focused on it.
Why?
I don't know, I guess I'm just more in the present.
But you and he were close. Can you tell me about that day again?
I don't feel anything about it.
You don't feel sad? Angry?
Not really. No.
Get started on Titanic Reborn. The last of the trilogy after Titanic Rising.
What's that?
What's what?
Titanic Rising.
Very funny.
Was that like a...
Titanic Rising, the sequel. 10 times as good as the original.
Alright, you're joking.
그런데 더 충격적인 건 레스키의 죽음조차 기억하지 못했다는 거죠.
Seriously, for the first time, I feel great.
Oh, Heidi. This is Thomas. Fixed my record player. Can you believe it?
What are you doing here? What's going on?
I have some questions.
I answered your questions. So you think you can just walk into my house and...
Well, it's my house. He's here about your old job.
Mom, can you just give us a minute, please? What is all this?
Last time we talked, no specific recollections of the men you worked with at Homecoming, including Walter Cruz?
Yes?
There's something I'd like you to hear.
Just finished a session with Walter Cruz. Broader effects than we anticipated.
Whoa. Slow down, Heidi.
All right, Cruz is week 5. This week, it's gone.
Gone. You sure?
Yes, yes.
That's great.
No, Colin, it's not just the traumatic.
전쟁에서의 트라우마만 도려내는 게 아닌 좋았던 기억마저 사라져버렸던 것. 그렇지만 어찌된 영문인지 콜린은 흥분을 감추지 못했고
It's April 10th, 2018. Homecoming client Walter Cruz, week 1, session 1.
Did you write?
I mean, it sounds like me. Haven't what?
Taking a road trip with a boyfriend?
I've had boyfriends.
Yeah, but that's not what I asked you.
Yes, I'm actually.
You were there every day. Gloria Morso, Walter's mom.
How did she get them?
You sent them to her. That's your handwriting, isn't it? Look, it's clear you knew Walter, but you won't admit it. Why?
Because I didn't.
You did. Joseph Schreier. How about him?
Who is that?
He was another patient of yours. Name, what happened to him?
I don't know.
You do.
I don't know what it is that you want.
I just want to know what you did.
I don't remember.
I don't believe you.
God, I don't remember.
Heidi, I've got that appointment. Can you take me?
무언가 심상치 않음을 직감한 어머니의 센스. 겨우 난처한 상황을 모면할 수 있었는데요.
This isn't therapy.
Come
What
on,
we've
Heidi,
done,
okay?
we've-
We need to keep refining the medication. Absolutely. Oh, man, I present this to the DOD to open the hose. We'll be able to deploy these guys way sooner than we thought.
Deploy them.
What? Yeah.
They're going back.
What do you think we're doing here?
Preparing them for civilian life.
전 세계로 파병할 군인들을 새롭게 육성하는 것보다 이미 파병을 경험한 참전용사들의 기억을 지워버리는 것이 훨씬 경제적이라는 계산이 내포된 잔인무도한 프로젝트였던 것.
Hello?
Heidi, hey, Thunder. Everything okay?
Not really, no.
Hey, I owe you. You waited on me at that fish place, and I owe you a tip. So,
Oh, it's okay.
here, please. I insist.
Sure. Thank you.
나를 알아보지 못한다는 사실을 적극적으로 이용, 헌터라는 가명으로 자신의 신분을 숨긴 채 하이디를 감시하고 있었죠.
Just can we talk later?
No, Heidi, wait. What happened?
The address of where I used to work. I have to find someone.
At least have somebody that you can bring along?
하이디를 위하는 척 홈커밍으로 향하는 길에 동행을 하는 사이 뒤늦게 문제의 편지 봉투가 사라졌다는 사실을 알 수 있었는데요.
Pam, hi, it's Thomas Carrasco. Heidi Bergman is returning to the homecoming facility, possibly to destroy evidence. I'll update you as soon as possible.
Walter is a soldier. We have given that back to him. In the end, he'll thank us for that.
월터의 새로운 출발을 돕겠다는 대외적인 명분과 그와 조금이라도 함께하고 싶다는 개인적인 욕심이 결국 그에게 되돌릴 수 없는 상처를 남기게 되었던 것.
Excuse me. I'm looking for. It's called Homecoming.
I don't. There's a bunch of things up there. I don't know.
군인들의 재활을 돕는 시설로는 보이지 않는 대규모 관광센터로 완전히 탈바꿈되어 있었는데요.
I don't understand any of this.
Doesn't exactly feel like a. What is it we're looking for again?
I don't know. I think we should go check the directory.
그런데
Wait.
Yes.
This is Homecoming?
What?
Are you Colin?
I'm Ramon. This is my office.
What is this? I don't.
Would you like to sit down?
잡힐 듯 잡히지 않는 기억의 조각들. 이렇게까지 했음에도 포기해야 하나 싶던 그때.
What happened? Heidi? Where are we going now? It's my fault.
I know you.
Look, I owe you an explanation. I'm the one that brought you here, the one that gave you this job. But we were caring for these men. There was a lot of responsibility. They were in bad shape. None of us set out to hurt anybody. Nobody wanted that.
I'll tell the truth.
The truth? And what's that? That you ran everything?
But you.
No. I've never set foot in this place. That's the truth.
결정적인 순간 또다시 모르쇠로 일관하는 콜린과 진실을 밝히려는 토머스. 마침내 3자 대면을 할 수 있었죠.
Miss Bergman!
You were right.
Right about what?
I was
Don't
the
talk.
one
She's having some kind of an episode.
who ran the program. The dosing.
The dose.
Look here, I'm investigating the complaint that you.
He was my boss.
모든 단서와 정황들이 콜린을 핵심 인물로 규정하고 있었지만 문제는 토머스가 단순히 감찰 직원에 지나지 않는다는 점. 법적 구속력이 없다는 걸 너무나 잘 아는 콜린의 도발과 비아냥이 계속되던 그때
Hey, what are you doing, hey?
So, I'm taking pictures of this. I'm taking pictures!
He was right. You need a ride?
Does anyone have any questions I can answer?
이러한 사실을 알았음에도 군인들을 안심시켰던 그날의 기억들이 되살아나기 시작.
Heidi? You okay?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
All right.
So what happens next?
I'll file my report. There'll be an investigation. They'll establish what happened and decide who's responsible.
What about me? I was there. I was...
No, someone like you, that's not what they're after.
But I deserve to be punished, don't I? For what I did.
I don't know.
어느덧 월터와의 마지막 상담일이 다가오고 있었죠.
This is Walter Cruz, May 15th, week 6.
They told me about my deployment.
How do you feel about that?
Yeah, no, I'm excited actually. I think Schreier might be able to come.
And you weren't worried about going back?
No,
And this is what you want?
I'm not scared, if that's what you meant. Do you want to come to work every day?
No.
Right, but you come anyway, right? You know it's nothing you can't handle. It's pretty much the same thing. Besides, redeployment will be, what, 9 months? I'd come back and visit you, if you wanted.
That would be nice. May not be here is all.
Well, where are you going?
I don't know. It isn't always up to me.
Anyway, I really appreciate what you did for me, Heidi.
어쩌면 지금의 대화가 마지막이 될 수 있다는 걸 직감한 듯
Walter, if...
어색한 침묵이 들이오기 시작하던 그때
Hey, I haven't eaten. Would you like to go with me to the cafeteria?
Well, I already ate, but sure. I didn't think that was allowed.
Well, I mean, it is your last day. What are they gonna do? Let's go.
문제는 이미 배식이 마감되어 식사가 불가능한 상황이 되어버렸다는 점.
Just give me a minute. Take a seat.
결국 직원이라는 점을 내세워 하이디가 직접 준비할 수밖에 없었는데요.
This is pretty good, actually.
Yeah, the food here's not bad. You've never eaten here before?
We're not allowed. I was thinking about that road trip.
What about it?
Just how that would be, how I'd never done that.
Well, maybe that's a problem we need to fix.
I think you're right.
Let's do that when I get back.
What was the name of that town again? You have the map in your pocket?
Yeah.
Fish Camp. Where do we go after that?
그런데 잠시 후
What the f is she doing?
Yes, thank you, Mr. Park.
This guy keeps calling me. Thanks.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Colin Belfast.
And so you'll be elevating Inspector General?
Yes.
Okay. Geist Executive, how can I help you? I have a situation here, somewhat urgent.
익명의 제보를 가볍게 치부하지 않고 마치 자신의 일처럼 최선을 다했지만 문제는 그가 연참한 오래된 말단 조사관에 지나지 않았다는 점. 이내 곧 홈커밍 사태는 다시금 수면 밑으로 가라앉게 될 거라는 걸 직감할 수 있었고
Very impressive.
Heroes like you made it all possible, sir.
이제서야 엄청난 사건이 터져버렸다는 뉴스를 접할 수 있었는데요.
Craig, it's Colin. Just tell me exactly what you saw.
그동안의 모든 자료들을 폐기하고 사무실을 나서려던 그때
I just got a pretty strange call, Heidi. In the client cafeteria with Walter Cruz.
It's true. We ate lunch.
You ate the food, the fucking medicated
I was hungry.
Walter Cruz, who'd already had his full dose?
Adversely affected.
자칫하면 엄청난 후유증을 남기게 될지 모르는 상황이었음에도 하이디가 월터와의 식사를 강행한 이유는 이렇게 해서라도 그의 파병을 막아야 한다는 절박함이자 자신의 잘못을 뉘우치는 유일한 방법이었던 것. 홈커밍 측은 월터를 강제 퇴원 조치할 수밖에 없었고
Colin, is there anything else?
What? Don't move. I'm coming down there and I'm gonna...
I won't be here.
What? Hello? Hello?
월터의 소재를 알아낼 수 있는 유일한 방법, 염치불구하더라도 그의 어머니를 찾아뵐 수밖에 없었죠.
Do you remember me?
Yes.
I would like to talk to you. The facility housed 18 soldiers at a time.
홈커밍 프로그램에 적합한 군인으로 월터가 포함되었고 참전 용사를 재파병하는 프로그램이었다는 사실 모두를 고백하게 되고
I've learned that there are certain objects or cues from that time that could bring back Walter's memory. I just
You want to help Walter?
Yes.
Then stay away from him. He doesn't want that. Any of it. He's finally where he belongs.
So what did we say? Yosemite? What are we looking for?
We'll know when we see it. Up in the mountains, by the creek. One stoplight, that's it.
그녀는 절대로 아들이 있는 곳을 알려주지 않을 거라는 확신, 불현듯 자신이 월터의 지도를 간직하고 있었다는 기억이 되살아나기 시작하는데요. 그런데 문제는 지금부터가 본격적인 고생길로 접어들게 불을 보듯 뻔했다는 사실. 월터와의 기억을 되살려 그가 있을 만한 위치를 추론해야 한다는 의미였고
Dex turned into a real mother, huh?
Hey, Walter.
How you doing?
I need to get a new pot. Hang on.
그를 찾아 나선 지 어느덧 제법 많은 시간이 흐른 상태였는데요.
Is everything all right?
Yeah. I've just been driving. I haven't talked to another person in a while.
You just passing through, or?
Yeah, I think so. Just stopping for the night. This just seemed like a nice place, this town.
It's kind of the end of the road, if you're into that sort of thing.
And you are into that.
I guess. I've always wanted to come out here.
하이디가 그랬던 것처럼 무의식 중에 남아있는 기억의 작은 파편들, 대화에는 막힘이 없었죠.
I was supposed to meet someone.
They didn't show, huh?
No, they did.
No, you expected?
Everything I expected. I was late.
So what are you gonna do now?
Can you finish that deck?
Still half a day left.
You said that yesterday. Do you need anything?
Oh, no, thank you.
She's right. I should probably get going.
Good luck with the deck.
Still half a day left.
넷플릭스가 주도하는 OTT 시장에 본격적으로 뛰어들기 위해 그동안 영화에만 집중하던 줄리아 로버츠를 캐스팅하고 감각적인 연출로 헐리우드에 관심을 한 몸에 봤던 샘 에스메일에게 메가폰을 쥐어준 작품. 좋은 영화를 보고 싶은데 어디서 봐야 할지 고민되신 적 있으신가요? 제 채널의 시청자분들이 가장 자주 물어본 질문에 드디어 답해드릴 수 있게 되었습니다. 최신 영화부터 다시 보고 싶은 명작까지 바로 파일선에서 다양한 영화들을 한 곳에서 만나보실 수 있는데요. 당장이라도 지도를 펼치며 그의 기억을 되살리고 싶은 마음이었지만 이제서야 자기의 자리를 찾았다는 어머니의 당부와 월터를 이렇게 만든 건 역시 자신의 잘못 때문이라는 죄책감. 결국 하이디는 월터를 보내주는 선택을 하게 되는데요. 많은 시간이 흐른 뒤에라도 다시금 두 사람이 재회하기를 간절히 바랐던 인생 드라마.